In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change shot meter 2K25 My Career. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you watch a lot of NBA 2K25 content, you might have noticed that some people have a different shot meter. You can actually customize this, you can change the colors, you can change the size, you can change the animation, and you can do this while inside of a game. So log into your My Career save. And once you are in My Career, either in the city, neighborhood, or even during a game, open the main menu. So you have to pause the game at any point and go over to the options. In here, you will now look for the Customize HUD category. So under Options, go down until you find Customize HUD. This is where you will be able to change various aspects about your HUD, including the shot meter. So now you will see all of the categories. The third one from the top is going to be shot meter shots, and it's the one I'm going to be focusing and showcasing in this video. But of course, if you want to, you can change any of the other options. So for example, the animation and special effects, player indicator, turbo or fatigue meter, and so on. If you choose shot meter shots, this is what you are going to see. Visibility for shots, visibility for layups, for free throws, the graphic, color, size, and placement. I think that the most people will want to change the size. You can change the size from medium to large, which makes the shot meter even easier to identify. But of course, you can mess with any other settings that you wish. If you believe that the color is not too apparent, then change it to something more vibrant and customize the graphic if you want a different feel. Regardless of what you use, you will be able to save this and it will be loaded when you go into a match and you use the shot meter. You might also see a preview at the right side of the screen, so just change it whenever you are inside of the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to change shot meter 2K25 My Career. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.